Hi everybody, it's Russell Markham here from VectorVest. I've got a very short but very exciting little presentation here, how to find some of the best ETFs listed on the ASX over the last 10 years. What you see the results, pretty spectacular. Just before I get going here, please note our license number there. And in addition, please note I can only give you general advice. Past performance not a guarantee of future results, so forecasts, backtests used or discussed today are intended as a guide only, and those results may be affected by known or unknown risks and uncertainties and therefore may differ materially from the results ultimately achieved. So I'm going to cut right to the chase here. Look at this. Brilliant, right? Brilliant, smooth left to right, upward trending set of ETFs there over the last 10 years. I'll show you exactly what those ETFs entail very shortly. But you like the look of that. How do you find that using VectorVest? How can you give yourself confidence to find a group of ETFs that collectively, so this is their performance over 10 years. Brilliant performance. So let me show you using our all-powerful UniSearch tool. Let me explain. So in the VectorVest system, we've got this tool here called UniSearch. It allows us to rank, sort, and screen for stocks, ETFs, LICs, you name it, we do it all. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to simply do this. I'm going to go where it notes parameters, just click and point. So here I'm going to go stocks, in this case it'll be ETFs, filter by, and in here I'm going to go into sector. So find me stocks/ETFs in a sector. Sector must equal, and in the value selected sectors, and I simply click on ETFs. So now if I run the search, it'll return all the ETFs in Australia. But the issue I've got here is, well, it's all very well showing me those ETFs, but what have been some of the best performing ETFs? And this is where the second line will help you. Again, it's just clicking and pointing. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go where it notes parameter. I'm going to go stocks, price volume, all right, price split adjusted. So for the adjustment, all right, so if there's any splits, and I'm going to go here, I'm going to say delta, so looking for a change. And then all I'm going to do here is I'm going to come in here and say, okay, well, how about we change this to weeks, and what's 10 years worth of weeks? It's 520. So over the last 520 weeks, show me those ETFs that have grown by more than 100%, so doubled in value over 10 years. Run the search. Automatically, there we are. And there are those ETFs. And if you have a look at them here, and I just simply click on them here, I can graph these selected ETFs, and I'll pull them back over 10 years. Right, so now straight away we're cutting to the chase. Bit of a dip on that one there, but overall, very strong performance apart from the COVID sell down. Look at these ones here. Look at this here. Brilliant. All right, brilliant left to right price patterns taking place there. So these really jump out, superb returns. All right, so if I then simply take these ETFs and I put them into a watch list, so let me show you. So I'm going to go over to viewers here in VectorVest, and I've already created the watch list. You can create a watch list of stocks/ETFs that you're after. All right, and in this case here, I've put in all those ETFs, 7 in total. Here they all are. I can come down to the bottom here, right click, view the watch list average. This is how they are all stacking up, or 7 of them there, over the last 10 years. Look at that, brilliant performance. I can now manage this, and I can do that process in UniSearch each and every day, whereby I can go and just double check just to make sure I'm finding the best long-term performing ETFs. Quick, easy, fun to do. Imagine considering a couple of these in your self-managed super fund, for example. Now, again, I can't give you personal advice. Please do speak to your personal financial planner. But with the power of VectorVest, I've got these tools at my fingertips so I can make smart decisions each and every day, powered by VectorVest. Take the emotion out of it. Look at the facts. There they are. There are some of the best performing ETFs over the last years using simply a parameter there where we said, look for the biggest changes taking place of 100% or more over the last 10 years. Hope you got a lot out of it. Until next time, bye for now.